Hey, what's up there, YouTube? I'm also recording on this phone camera, just in case. So, hold on a second. I think that's a bad spot for my fucking gooseneck phone holder. Sorry, I'm trying to unravel this sucker. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Alright. You know what? No, beer. There. I'm just gonna show you my room before I record on my other camera. So, yeah, this whole room is a mess, dude. That's of YouTube. So, yeah. Yep, it's a mess. So, be prepared for a lot of videos today. So, most of it's gonna be 9 minutes and somewhat seconds long. So, anyways, peace.